In this video, I'm going to show you how to use standby mode without charging on iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, we want to go to our phone settings, and from here we want to scroll down until we find the standby mode just below the wallpaper and above the Siri and search setting. Unfortunately, in my case, my iPhone isn't updated to iOS 17, so I can't show you the standby mode option. But in your case, when you see the standby mode option, you just want to tap on it and make sure to enable it. And you will see a message right there that says standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames, and clocks. So unfortunately, there is no way to use standby mode without charging. When you plugged in your charger to your iPhone while standby mode is on, it will go on standby mode only because you've plugged in your charger. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.